Alright, well, every time I think I'm going to be done, I notice something. So, I was so excited unboxing this and trying this out that I did not notice this flywheel isn't pressed on properly. So, there's a gap here because these flywheels are a steel ring on the cast aluminum. So I'm gonna just use a C-clamp to gradually, gently get that squeezed over and in line. And this is in fact the absolute wrong tool to do this job with, but it is the tool I own, which, you know, the thing about bodging anything, or getting it just, or doing anything is, if you have the right tool and you choose not to use the right tool, you're not doing a good job. But if you don't have the right tool and you find a way to make it work, then more power to you. So, there we go. Now it's pressed on there properly. It looks like there's a hole in the bottom of the flywheel. There probably originally were grub screws designed to go in there, but if it's done properly, and the friction fit is pretty good there, the grub screws probably are completely unimportant to hold that together and just cause a stress point in the aluminum casting for the spokes. So, well, I straightened that out, and now I'm actually going to put everything away for the day, but I know that if I hadn't dealt with that immediately, I would have forgotten it next week. So that was a quick and easy fix and not a big deal at all. And I don't know, maybe I'll look at the unboxing and see if it was just something I missed entirely. The clump noise was, I already, you know, because I was so excited to play with that other engine, I already did. That one got vibrated off onto the floor already, but it seems to be in good shape otherwise, so we'll see.